Hey everyone! Welcome again to another video where I'm speaking only in English. So today I'm gonna read for you everything that I wrote on the Childcare Experience part of the application. Oh my god, the sun just got here. Anyway, so this is the application from Au Pair in America. So if you don't know me, I'm Mariana Ferpie. I'm a future au pair and I'm going with this agency, Au Pair in America, to the United States. And if you are in this process, I hope I will help you to fill out your application as well. And if you haven't seen the other video where I'm speaking only in English, the other video was about the About You part of the application, About You section. So if you want to help with that too, go ahead and watch the other video. I'm gonna put somewhere over here. So over there, I don't know which side of it is. So I'm gonna put over there so you can go watch it after this one. Okay, so the first part is Childcare Experience. I already made a video all in Portuguese about all the information you need to fill out the form, but if you're from another country, just let me know, like on the comments, so I can make another video for you explaining in English, or maybe just putting subtitles on the Portuguese video. I just want to help you, so please tell me over here how can I help you. But I will show you what I did right, what I did fill out in the application. And sorry if I say something wrong in English. Sometimes, like, I know I still need to learn some little things. So let's go. Please indicate if you have experience caring for the following and if you would be willing to care for them in the USA. So this, I put that I have experience with like all ages and even with special needs. With all ages because I have two little cousins, so I've been taking care of them since they are little, at least for some days. They are 6 right now, and I was also an English teacher, so I did take care of some older children and even teenager as well. Oh, and if like the lights keep changing over the videos because like I'm in front of a window and there's the sun right here, so sometimes the sun is getting behind the building or the clouds and it's changing a little bit of everything, but the information is what matters. So let's go. So I put that I was willing to take care of children from all ages and even more than 2 children. It wouldn't really bother me if I was taking care of 3, but I would prefer 2. But anyways, even though I have experience taking care of special needs kids, I did put over there that I was unwilling to take care of them because I don't feel like I do have a lot of experience, even though I do have some experience, but I don't feel that I have enough experience to provide the best care of special needs kids. So that's why I did put it unwilling over there. And please indicate if you have experience with any of the following special needs. So the experience that I had was with a kid with autism, because one of my friends has a child that has autism. I really love him. So please describe your experience with children with special needs. So I put there, sometimes I help to take care of blah blah blah. I'm not gonna say his name because, you know, to protect the child information. And he is 8 years old and he has been diagnosed with autism. I have never been alone with him. His parents are always together. I just play games with him. We go to the pool together, watch movies. He loves drawing and he's a really happy and lovely kid. And yeah, he is amazing. He's really lovable and he's such an artist. Yeah, he really is. So let's go. Please describe your childcare experience and the children you care for. Explain why you enjoy the experience and what you learned from it. So this is the most important part for you because this is what like everyone needs to write about. Of course, you're not gonna write the same thing as I'm writing over here, but it maybe can lead you to how to write your information to set it as an example, I guess. So here are what I wrote regarding my experience. My most important childcare experience is from when I was an English teacher. For a year and a half, I taught kids and teenagers from 3 to 16 years old, but also adults. I had about 10 students per class, sometimes more, sometimes less. Certainly, this job was a very enriching experience for me and also challenging. When you teach children, you're not only taking care of them and helping with their development, but you also become an example in their life, which is a huge responsibility, yet the most rewarding one. I didn't have any teacher assistants, so it was just me and the kids. Because of that, I had to manage to help the little ones go into the bathroom and drinking water at the same time that I was looking to the other students in the classroom. I think that helped me with my ability to deal with multitasking situations and to provide always the kids' safety no matter what. I had to be always creative, doing different and fun activities with the students so they could learn English without even noticing it. Other experience that I have is from when I take care of my little cousins, Malu and Henrique, or other children, like blah 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 and blah blah blah. I don't even know if you say blah 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 in English, but we do that in Portuguese when you don't want to say exactly the words. So let's come back here. Malu and Henrique, I'm just saying their names because they're my cousins, so it's okay. Malu and Henrique are twins, and they were born premature. And since the beginning, I helped their mother, my cousin, whenever I was in their city. So yeah, they are my cousin, but they are sons of my cousin. You know, I don't know how to say that, I forgot, but like, they're cousin from, I forgot how to say in English, I'm sorry. So they're the sons of my cousins. If you remember how to say that in English, please put it here in the comments, please. So here where I was, oh my god, I forgot. Here. So I helped their mother, my cousin, whenever I was in their city. Because I live in a city that is like 2 hours away by car from them. I always visit them. So yeah, whenever I'm there, I visit them and I stay with them. I bottle fed them, changed clothes, put them to sleep, and it was really hard at the beginning because they were really small. So we had to take extra care of them. As they grew up, I helped to teach them to walk with new words. I bathed them and we always play together and have a lot of fun. Blah 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 and blah blah blah. Our siblings. Now they are 8 and 6 years old. Blah 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 has been diagnosed with autism since he's little. My family and their family are really good friends for 4 years now. So we are always together, and I'm the one to take care of the kids and play around with them when we hang out together. It's amazing to see how blah 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 has been improving since we met him. Yeah, so that was it. Let me see if I have another text thing. Yes, we do. So down the app we have the documented childcare experience. And in this part, I put it over here. Starting from March 2013 until present time, experience type, caring for a younger family member. So I had 4,320, how do you say that? 4,000, oh my god, I forgot how to say numbers. 4,320? 4,320. Do I say and in both? Jesus, I got it blank. It blanked. Oh. Okay, so 4,320 hours. 4,320 hours. 4,320 hours. God, anyways, I have this amount of hours taking care of young family members. So here in children, you have to say their names, if they're a boy or girl, age when you start taking care of them. So I put Maria Luisa Malu, my cousin, she's a female, and I take care of them since she was born. And Henrique, my cousin, male, since he was born, and I did put an observation that they are twins. So duties: feeding, bathing, dressing, putting them to bed, playing with them, reading bedtime stories, helping with homework, taking and picking them up from school, going to the movies, mall, beach, pool, and other places to have fun. Frequency of care, occasionally. Because as I said, they live in another city, so yes, occasionally. And I put there the name of their mother. And the other experience, from January 2016 until present time. Children, blah blah blah, male, 4 years old, blah blah blah, female, 2 years old. Duties, playing with children, ensuring child safety, solving conflicts, helping them go into the bathroom, helping them swimming, storytelling, and having fun. Frequency of care, occasionally. Every name, I put their father's name. January 2016 until October 2017. And 920 hours of experience. I forgot to say the other one. The other one was 350 hours of experience. So this last one was experience type, teacher, children, 10 students per class, from 3 to 16 years old, about 150 students total. Duties, to teach them English, to prepare creative lessons plans, to educate the students, to document progress, to engage students, to help the little ones go into the bathroom, to provide a safe environment, to manage students' behavior, to model an ethical conduct, to do recreational activities, to have meeting with the students' parents. Frequency of care, weekly. Referee name, I put there my boss name, my ex-boss names. So yeah, that was pretty much it. I hope I helped you with the application part of it. If there's any other part of my application that you wanted me to talk in English about it, please just let me know on the comments down below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this channel with anyone that you think may like this content or that I may help. And if you want me to do more videos in English, speaking in English about anything, please just comment right here too, because I can see if I can make those videos. Bye! See you soon!